Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, I'm doing something.
What?
Grandma's calling me. You have to go.
And I want to talk to her. Let's move her. I want to
Aw. Feel better.
Oh shit!
Ow, you puto.
What time is it?
Ow.
No!
Puto.
Graham said tell him no. Bad dog. Get over her.
Stop! You're gonna make the floor slippery.
I won't do that to you. I want to.
What if I did it to myself? Is this water?
I gotta
No,
put
it's
something
piss.
on.
Oh shit! I got my bangs wet.
You look Mexican.
Really?
No. Oh shit. Charge that for when we go to John Hockey.
Huh?
Are you on my hockey game?
Bridge is coming.
I have to ask my mom.
Graham
Then.
said so.
This Graham looks good.
Stop! Don't do that. You be child.
Ow, I have a bruise. I got beat this weekend.
Ultra bruise? If it's an ultra bruise, I feel bad.
Motherfucker.
No, it's a mega bruise.
Dog! Dog! Bad dog.
You got all these good moments.
Courtney.
Puppy.
Yeah. My teacher.
When I say
John Turturro is gay.
this is for the bus. You know what? I'm going to get help.
Why are you going away from him?
Look at his gloves.
Papa. Roar.
Ew, he's gonna piss all over your neck.
So what'd you do if I just held him like this and then he peed on Sophia?
No, stop. Stop.
Ew, the long hair.
She touched it. She touched the hair.
No, I
Put it
did
on-
not.
I put it on your hand. Don't let him attack Sophia.
He's not. He's just humping.
Oh.
Don't let him
There's a
do
difference. Attacking is humping.
that. Sophia. Bad.
Superman.
John Chicago. Yeah. Don't eat that.
Wow. Then why did you smack him in the head?
Hit in that pussy.
Hey. Yeah.
You know that.